Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your student loan refinancing application with Laurel Road, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your student loan refinancing application with Laurel Road, start by visiting their official website. Log into your existing account using your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to the application section of your dashboard. Here, locate your existing refinancing application. Click on the application to open the details. Review the current information to see what needs updating. Update any personal information such as your address, income, or employment status. Be sure to provide accurate and up-to-date financial details. If applicable, add any new loans you wish to include in the refinancing. After making your changes, double-check all updated information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save your changes. Next, review the terms and conditions associated with the refinancing. If everything looks good, proceed to submit your updated application. You may receive an email confirmation shortly after submission. Monitor your email for any further instructions or requirements from Laurel Road. If necessary, contact customer support for assistance with any issues. Keep track of your application status through your dashboard. Make sure to follow up if you do not hear back within their estimated timeframe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.